Morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's come to our topic, which is the fish packaging. But before that, I have here an activity. You can identify packet right, wala rang yes or no. So, picture number 1, packet right? Yes. No. Picture number 2? No. Picture number 3? No. Picture number 4? Yes. So why do you think picture number 1 is not pack and drive? Yes, mana. Yes, mana, sir. Pack and drive mana. Okay, anyone from the class? Isa lang. Okay, Miss Deante, you're recognized.
Sir, what I am doing, sir, is that nasa proper tangan and then with ice siya para ma-lifelong ang isda.
Okay, ma-preserve and freshness ng isda. So how about the picture number 2? Why? Anyone from the class? Volunteer lang, go. I know that we will sure to have an idea for that, so kindly stand up.
Kuan, sir. Haron po kita ang isda gibutang sa cargo. Usually, di mo siya ibutang sa cargo. So, dili ka sa
So what if Johnny is the right wala daw sila?
basta ang mga sir.
Okay, thank you now. How about the picture number 3? Anyone? I know that Mayor have really an idea for that. Can you stand up? You are now recognized. Picture number 3. Packet right daw sila. Nagbuka pa sila sa sakto na packaging or not? Kai, ano man? Okay. So thank you. Dili ka siya drive. Diyaw may ice na nakabutang. So bawal siya ibutang sa cartoon. So how about na picture number 4? Miss Omilda. Kaya na siya nag-song down to the they will change the idea. So now you. May tawag na all. Saan din tawag? Yo, very good. So, those ideas no kajal, sakto ka mo, and of course, ang yung mga nakita na picture kay yung mga na-identify. So now, let's proceed to our analysis for that. So why do you think fish needs to proper packaging? Miss Liagas, can you stand up? Over yung slow now.
I think fish needs proper packaging is because fish is kanang dali siya ma-spoil and dali na siya makakabili sa mga microbes. It's because fish are raw products or materials wherein kanang moto.
Okay, thank you. Now, okay, question number 2. What happens to fish if it's not packaged correctly? Anyone from the class? I know that Miss Silisan, I have idea for that. Can you stand up? Question number 2.
So, if for example, sir, sa fish, hindi na sila ma-pick-up, so ma-ato siya kanang dali ra siya madaot or kanang mo ato siya pag-spoil.
Okay, very good. Thank you. How about the question number 3? How does temperature affect fish quality? Anyone from the class? Miss Lipuna, can you stand up? Question number 3. Hindi naman doon,
So, sa kadong explain ni Miss kung how sa ilang wet, kung ano report kung na ang temperature is makahagat siya. Ganang coldness or hotness sa ako ani sa mga product. If ang product ay natin sa zone 1 mo,
Okay, thank you. So all your ideas are correct. So now let's proceed to our objectives. Can you raise the chorus?
Differentiate packaging needs and explain its importance. Differentiate packaging methods such as icing and chilling, vacuum packaging and packaging. Concentrate the value of proper fish packaging in ensuring food safety and reducing waste.
Okay, so now this is my topic. Fish packaging needs. Anyone from the class? For you, what is fish packaging needs? Miss Pagtalunan. Can you stand up? You're now recognized. Fish packaging needs. Go. Imura idea, imura kaugalingon idea about John topic.
So,
rigorous
Researching materials,
methods and conditions required to pack fish properly so that it stays fresh,
safe, and of good quality from the time it is on until it reaches the consumer.
Okay, so fish packaging aid, it is a materials no, na ginagamit para ang fish mag-stay as fresh. And of course, those methods na dapat masunod nato para dili ma-spoil pagdali ang fish. So, properly so, based on the definition, no, it stays fresh, safe, and of good quality from the time it goes until it reaches the consumer. Diyan ba tayo palit na fish pag ganito, isda na tagputos na tagbaligya, dubok na waya. Dahon? Waya. Ay, sudan sa ero. Pero dili naman dyan ang pwede makonsum ng tao. So now, the first is importance of fish packaging needs. So, the fish packaging is important because it helps maintain quality, ensure safety, and reduce losses from the time fish is harvested until it reaches consumer. So first is to maintain freshness. So when we say maintain freshness, can you read?
Fish spoils quickly if not packed properly. Good packaging helps keep fish cold and fresh for a longer time.
So need ka dyan na dapat ma-maintain ang freshness ng isda para ma-consume, mapalit sa pag dali. So number 2, to prevent spoilage, no? Proper packaging should slow down the growth of bacteria. Kung proper ang pagka-package nato sa to mga product na only the fish, madali sila pag dili ma-backpack, tarong, dili siya mahalin pagdali. And of course, makabubuan na nadiraan ng mga bacteria. And of course, this reduce bad odor, discoloration, and softening of fish. Imanin dyan na 1 to, na number 1, maintain freshness. Number 2, prevent spoilage. Okay, now let's proceed to number 3. Ensure food safety. Protect fish from contamination by dirt, insects, and harmful or microorganisms. And of course, this keeps fish safe for human consumption. Kung ang isda ay ang pagka-package nimo ay sakto, of course, sa ay dili matagaan ang magpalit sa iwanan any kind of sakit. Then, ikaw pa, reduces post-harvest losses. Proper packaging minimize damage during hunting and transport. It's very important man no, that dapat ang pagka-package gyud sa ang mga product into a proper gani para dili sila madali madaot kon i-travel. Then ikaduha, less fish is wasted, helping fisher folk earn more. Then number 5, protect fish from physical damage. Can you read? Anyone, go.
Packaging prevents crushing, bruising, and breakage. Maintains the fish appearance and market value.
So, and protect fish from physical damage, no, dili sila madali. Ang packaging, isa sa needs para dili madali pagka daot ang isda kon i-travel mo galing sila, dili mga lata, di ba? Diyan may different kinds of packaging. So, naka-protect dyan sila sa isda. Then number 6, facilitates storage and transport. Make fish easier to store, stock, and transport. Balik-balik na sila ng mga definition. Ensures fish arrive in good condition at market. So, do you observe every time kayo nandiyan yung mga tabo-tabo? Di ba grabe ka dyan ng mga cellophane na nag-double sa mga isda dyan sa ice bucket? Para dili madaling bag ka, ano man? Bunson, at life pa. Easy to transport, ano pa? Para kahit dili mahilis. Para daw sa dili madali pag mahilis. At pinododang ka, number 1 na ininila doon goal para dili ka doon madali pagkadubukan isda. Then increase market value. Well packaged fish look thinner and more appealing. So kung dali mo isda din doon is grabe ka gwapa, plastado ang packaging, of course, dali ka doon sila mahalin. So now let's proceed to the functions of fish packaging. Can you read? The functions
of fish packaging are to preserve freshness, protect from contamination and damage, control temperature and moisture, and extend shelf life.
Okay, for number 1, kindly stand up, Miss Amaro. Kindly read. freshness, dili sa dali-dali matubuanan, ano? The number 2, protection from contamination. So, prevents contact with dirt, insect, and harmful microorganisms. At isa sa function ng packaging para dili madali pagka mamangon, di ba? Isa dyan, dili mamangon. And dili masundan ng lipa. And of course, dili makuhanan ng mga microorganisms. Then, number 3, physical protection. Kindly read.
Protects fish from bruising, crushing, and breaking during handling and transport.
Nabalik ito kayo ng physical protection. Then, number 4.
Moisture and leak control. Prevents water leakage from melted ice. Keeps fish clean and prevents cross-contamination.
So, moisture and leak control. So, when it comes ba dyan sa magpakita ng fish, no, once na mag-moist dyan sila, especially sa buyad. Maano man ang buyad? Kung mag-moist. Maano? Ay, kung tayo na kumilda, share your idea. Ay, ano man mabako man siya? Okay, so isa sa dyan ang importante ang functions ng packaging is to prevent moisture and control. Then, number 5, temperature control. Can you stand up, Ms. Marites, and give that definition? Kindly tuda-tuda sa busis.
Help maintain the required cold temperature, say 4 degrees Celsius. Required cold chain management.
Okay, thank you. Now, so it helps maintain the required cold temperature. Kung na-video, product ay need ng cold temperature, muhatag sa siya ng control. Kung na fish packaging is, ito naka, ato ma-explain ang mga and also the vacuum. Then number 6, ease of handling and transport. Make fish easier to carry, stock, and transport and reduces handling time and damage. So, dali lang siya. Kung hain-hain nagdadala kay naka-pack man siya, di ba? Kaya sa good. Adyan man no andyan ka ni mga bulis ka kung dyan, di ba? Di ba kay dili patagtad, kundi ibuo lang. So, nakagunit lang sa isog. Then number 7, quality and appearance maintenance. Of course, kung namin mo, it keeps fish looking fresh, clean, and attractive to buyers. Di ba kung sinaw-sinaw rin isda sa Changi, baga na nato sa mga mata, mga kung na, ay ini bago pa ganun siya, fresh pa siya. Then number 8, extended shelf life. Of course, function ng packaging is to, pang mga dun, pang long life, ganun na, mag-stay and the freshness. Then, let's proceed to the types of packaging. Type of fish packaging. Kindly read.
Types of fish packaging include fresh, chilled, frozen, vacuum, modified atmosphere, and processed fish packaging. It is designed to preserve quality and ensure safety. Traditional fish packaging. Fresh fish packed with ice in styrofoam or plastic crates. Modern packaging. These are used in commercial fishing, supermarkets, and export markets.
Okay, for traditional fish packaging, kindly stand up, Miss Abaw. Jemery. Can you share examples of traditional fish packaging?
Kanang sa kung ano sa tanggihan di ba makita na ko kanang sa sunod na sila isda is naka-styrofoam na din ay cellophane na to para di mamadali isang ice din na ang mga isda.
Do you think it is a traditional fish packaging?
Yes,
Very
pero
good.
pa na ko.
Okay. So now, let's proceed to modern packaging. Miss Carminal, can you stand up? Miss Carminal, can you share an examples of modern packaging? Yes, modern packaging.
Kanang kanang mga kuan karon dirty na. Like kain ka na siya para mas kuan ang mas madugay siya.
Okay, very good. So, we all know the traditional, we can differentiate what is traditional packaging and the modern packaging. Kaya doon, mismo makakita mo madalit ka sa nung grabe lang daw kapag ignorante kung di kita mag-identify ng traditional and modernized na mga packaging. So now, let's proceed to fish packaging methods. Can you read?
Fish packaging methods are the ways fish is stocked and handled to keep it fresh, safe, and marketable from harvest to consumption.
Okay, so now let's proceed to the method. So first hangin para mas mo-compress ito cellophane na dito sa ulod sa isda. Pakita kami na sa mga malls, di ba common dyan si Jaigana ng mga packaging when it comes sa fish. So, another.
Modified atmosphere packaging. Air displays with gases, CO2 and 2O2. Extend freshness in supermarkets.
So, ang modified atmosphere packaging, gatong butangan ng hangin sa ilayog. Kita ka mo dyan mga chicheria? Diba? Nga na dyan hangin sa ilayog para mag-maintain na nila crunchiness gani nga na. So, number, ini, one of the hapon, ini.
Dry and salting traditional preservation. Removes moisture and prevents spoilage. Packaging
Sino yung mga nakatry dyan, mga traditional pang drying and salting? So, di ba dyan, once grabe ni kagamit, kung dyan kayo ang travel ka na mga anti-alcohol, di ba? Grabe kagamit dyan, drying and salting. Ito mo, kung lagyo pa nila travelan, di ba mas ma-preserve ba na kung ano kagwapa, gikan sa Dubai, hanggang pag-abot sa ilang amura ka dyan gihapon. So, how about the smoking?
smoke with black add flavor and essential dye.
O may flavor dyan, anhoy. Pagpakaman yung tagpasuhan, manggod ni mo. Try ka mo dyan sa mga bayan. Ito is abukan gani. Di ba dyan iba na, once kayo nadili pa kung nadi ka dry and nila tagbuyas, ibutang dyan nila sa ibabaw. Para ang aso mo hata ng temperature ng kapaso para mo kato dito ang mga dry at siya. Para dili tubuanan. Yeah. And now let's proceed to the packaging materials used. Kaya dili.
Fish packaging materials are containers and wrapping seals to protect and heat, fresh, and prevent contamination during storage and transport. Traditional packaging materials. Natural or locally made items like banana leaves, coconut leaves, bamboo baskets, wooden crates, and open trays used for shorter storage and transport.
How about the modern packaging materials?
Modern packaging materials are advanced containers and wrapping such as styrofoam, boxes, plastic crates, vacuum seal bags, mop reels, and gel caps used to preserve freshness, ensure hygiene, and extend shelf life.
Why do you think coconut leaves is a traditional packaging material? Nakakama mo dyan mga packaging sa coconut leaves? Nakakama ba yun dyan? Pastel! Sa puso! Isa dyan sa parang that's the traditional way of packing sa nakakama dyan? Wow! Kala po ba yan?
Banana leaves, sir.
Oh, banana leaves dyan sa mga kwan. Pastel. Sa pastel, kakaon na kami pastel. Diba? Dyan, ang mga ilata, padanugan dyan, nasikan ipaana sa kayadyo para mag-soften ang banana leaves. Sa sama ito ipak. And also, sa mga ligdig, budbud, sayong-song, diba? So when it comes into modern packaging materials, nagamit na din ng mga advanced. Like for example, containers. So when we say containers, ano man dyan?
Plastic. Galon.
Styrofoam, dyan ang mga containers. Plastic na mga containers. And of course, in vacuum sealed bags. Takwa na mo ka mo dyan. And mocktails. And gel caps used to preserve freshness, ensure hygiene, and extended shelf life. So, nakasabot ba ang tanan? Yes! Kaya makasabot lagi na. Ibalik ko ito, kailangan na may mag-oral ka man. So now, I think that would be all for my topic, and the next